Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health. Welcome to online class of English A. Today we are going to do review 1. It is basically the revision of the first 2 units which we have completed recently. Let's start the exercises. Oral communication. Learning the sounds. Read the given sentences and circle the words with silent letters. Let's circle the words which have silent letters. The bird is eating breadcrumbs. Here B is silent in crumbs, so circle it. Sana is climbing the mountains. Here B is silent in climbing. Circle this word. Do you know who knocked at the door? Here no has silent letter K and knocked has silent letter K. So circle both the words. Yasir wrapped the wristwatch. Here W is silent in wrapped, W is silent in wrist, and T is silent in watch. Circle the 3 words. Ahmad's knee got injured. Here K is silent in knee. Get students into pairs and ask them to share their opinions about their favorite careers. Now you have to discuss with your sibling or with your friend about your favorite career, which is your favorite career or which you want to adopt when you will be grown up. And the next exercise is reading and critical thinking. Reading comprehension. Answer the given questions. Write 4 to 5 sentences on your favorite female personality. You will do it yourself. Choose your favorite personality, female personality, and write 4 to 5 sentences. How do we show our love to Allah? We show our love to Allah by adopting the right path and thanking Him. The next question is, why was our last Rasulullah Khatamun Nabiyyin sallallahu alaihi wasallam called Sadiq and Amin? Our last Rasulullah Khatamun Nabiyyin sallallahu alaihi wasallam was called Sadiq and Amin because of his honest nature. Now let's move towards the next exercise. Look at the picture and answer the following questions using position words in complete sentences. Position words are the words that show the position of something. For example, in, on, under, near, up. These are the position words. Now let's give the answer of these questions. Where are the fish? The fish are in the pond. Second question is, where is the cat sitting? And this is the cat. It is sitting in the tree or in a tree. The next question is, where is the squirrel? The squirrel is under the swing. Here under is position word. The next is language focus, vocabulary building. Read the given words and write their meanings. The given words are inspiration, sport, fascinating, bitterly, courage. You have to write their meanings. Let's know the meanings of the given words. Inspiration, a person or thing that motivates. Sport, help. Fascinating, it means attractive. Bitterly, it means extremely or in an angry way. The last one is courage, it means bravery. Now come to the next page. The next exercise is make sentences with the given collective nouns. Collective nouns are the words which are used for a group of things. For example, bunch. Bunch is used for grapes. Bouquet. Bouquet is used for flowers. Gang. Gang is used for thieves. Range. Range is used for mountains. And galaxy, which is used for stars. These are a few collective nouns. Now you have to make sentences with the given collective nouns. Herd, bunch, flock. Herd. The herd was grazing in the field. Bunch. I bought a bunch of grapes. Flock. The flock of birds was flying in the sky. You can make your own sentences. Now the next is rewrite the given sentences using the correct plural forms of the underlined nouns. Also use the correct subject-verb agreement accordingly. You have to make the plural of the underlined words and you have to change the helping verb as well. For example, the cat is hiding in the bush. And when you will make the plural, it will be the cats are hiding in the bushes. The next is the student is sitting on the bench, and the plural will be the students are sitting on the benches. Here you will also change is into are. There was a child standing outside the gate. The plural of child is children. There were, and we will also use the plural form of this helping verb. Was is the singular and were will be plural. There were children standing outside the gates. The next is he has pain in his tooth. Now the plural form of tooth is teeth. He has pain in his teeth. The next is the fox is running after the mouse. The plural of fox is foxes and the plural of mouse is mice. The foxes are running after the mice. Solve this exercise on your notebook. Next is fill in the blanks with the correct articles. We already know that there are three articles: a, an, and the. A and an are indefinite articles and the is definite article. Let's fill in the blanks. Sarah wanted to buy a new storybook. Because the new is starting from consonant letter, that's why we are going to write a before new. She also so she went to a bookstore. She saw many storybooks and then found the one she was looking for. Here we will write the because the one is something special she was looking for. She read a few pages of the storybook. Again we will use definite article the because the storybook the same which she has chosen. Then she took the book. Again we will use book because we have already talked about the book. To the shopkeeper and asked him to add a ruler and an umbrella to her cart. R is consonant letter, so we will use a before it, and umbrella is starting from vowel sound, that's why we are going to write an before umbrella. The next is complete the given table by writing two words in each column. Here you will write two common nouns, here you will write two proper nouns, here two countable nouns, and here two uncountable nouns. The common nouns are girl, city. The proper nouns are Sarah, Lahore. Countable nouns are pen, tree. These nouns can be counted, and uncountable nouns are those which cannot be counted. Water and rice cannot be counted. You can write your own You can write your own examples. And now the next exercise is write the degrees of the given adjectives. These are the adjectives: soft, big, beautiful, famous, young. You have to write their degrees. For example, soft, softer, softest. Big, bigger, biggest. Beautiful, we will use a more beautiful and most beautiful to make the comparative and superlative degree, because beautiful has three syllables, that's why we will use more and most. Famous, more famous, most famous. Famous has two syllables, that's why we will use more and most to make the degrees. Young, younger, youngest. This is the single syllable word, so we will add er and est to make the comparative and superlative degrees. The next exercise is read the given text and underline the action words. Action words are the words that show the action. I went to the seaside. Here went is action word, with my friends and made a sand castle. Here made is action word, circle it. We walked on the soft sand. Here walked is action word, and collected seashells, and collected is action word. I also took pictures. Took is action word, on the beach with my friends. Then we ate delicious burgers. Here ate is action word, circle it. So the action words are went, made, walked, collected, took, ate. The last exercise is about writing, creative writing. Write a paragraph on the topic health is wealth. Also label its topic sentence and supporting details in your notebook. You have to write about 7 to 8 sentences on the topic health is wealth. Then you have to mention with the lead pencil that which this one is the topping sentence and which are the supporting details. I hope you have understood today's lesson. Now complete your exercises and learn them. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.